Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Deco Home with New Style. Here is another day and another beautiful video for my beautiful viewers. Today we will discuss about 3D wall clock ideas. How you decor your wall with these beautiful 3D clocks. 3D wall clock can provide both functional and aesthetic benefits to any space. It can add a unique and stylish touch while making it easier to tell time. When you decor your wall with these beautiful 3D styles, a 3D clock can add a unique and stylish touch to any room in your home. With this 3D design, it can make a bold statement and become a focal point in your home. Easy time telling is another benefit that you can see by using 3D wall clock. The three-dimensional design of the clock can make it easier to read the time from a distance. The raised numbers or markers can be more visible and easier to read than a traditional flat clock face. Unique and creative design. The 3D wall clock offers a unique and creative way to tell time. With various designs, materials, and colors available, it can add personality and character to a room. 3D wall clock can be placed in various locations such as living room, bedroom, kitchen, or office. It can be easily mounted on any wall and can complement any decor style. 3D wall clocks are typically made with high quality materials that are durable and long lasting. They can withstand wear and tear and are less likely to break or damage compared to traditional clocks. In my video you can see different ideas of 3D wall clocks like geometric 3D wall clock, a clock made of geometric shapes like triangles, hexagon and squares. It can be made using materials like wood, metal or acrylic. Another trendy style of clock is rustic wooden 3D wall clock, a clock made from natural wood with rustic finish. It can be designed with numbers, Roman numerals, or just markers for a minimalist look. Modern 3D wall clock with a sleek and contemporary design that adds a touch of modernity to any room. It can be made using materials like metal or acrylic and can feature bold, contrasting colors. A clock with an industrial look that uses materials like metal and exposed cars. It can be designed with large Roman numerals and has a vintage feel in your home. A clock with a simple and understanded design that emphasizes functionality. It can be made using materials like wood or metal and can feature a monochrome color scheme. A clock with a classic look that adds a touch of elegance to your home. It can be designed with intricate details and can be made using materials like metal or wood. These are just few of the 3D wall clock ideas that are currently trending. In the United States, depending on your taste, you can find one that best suits your style and preferences.